Unlock the full power of Twilio by making your existing phone number an active part of your communication strategy. Integrating your own number allows you to use it as a caller ID for outbound calls and messages. Maintaining brand consistency and familiarity. There are two primary methods: porting your number entirely into Twilio, which is a longer process for full ownership, or quickly verifying an external number for caller ID purposes. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the rapid verification process. First, navigate to your Twilio console dashboard. On the left-hand navigation bar, find and click on Phone Numbers, then select Manage, and finally choose Verified Caller IDs. This section is dedicated to numbers you own externally but want to use with your Twilio account. On the Verified Caller IDs page, you'll see a list of any numbers you've already added. To add a new one, locate and click the prominent button labeled Add a New Caller ID. This will initiate the process of linking your external number. A new pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the phone number you wish to verify. Make sure to input the full number, including the country code. Double-check for accuracy before proceeding, as mistakes here will prevent successful verification. Once you've entered your number, you'll be given the option to choose your preferred verification method, either verify by call or verify by text message. Select the one that's most convenient for you. To receive a verification code, an automated system will then send a code or call your number. After receiving the call or text, you'll get a unique verification code returned to the Twilio console and promptly enter this code into the designated field. Once submitted, Twilio will confirm your ownership of the number, and it will be successfully added to your verified caller IDs list. Congratulations! Your number is now verified and ready for use as a caller ID in your Twilio applications, enhancing your communication efforts with a familiar and trusted identity. You can now assign this number to your outbound calls and messages from Twilio.